Electrical color codes are a standardized system used to identify the different conductors in electrical circuits. These color codes help electricians and other electrical workers to safely and correctly wire electrical systems. In direct current, or DC, circuits, the positive lead is typically identified by the color red, while the negative lead, or ground, is typically identified by the color black. This convention allows for easy identification of polarity in DC circuits, preventing accidental reverse polarity connections which can damage equipment. In alternating current, or AC, circuits, the color codes differ slightly. The neutral conductor is typically identified by the color white, while the hot, or energized, conductor is typically identified by the color black. This distinction is crucial for safe wiring practices, as the black wire carries the electrical current while the white wire provides a return path. It is important to note that while these color codes are commonly used, they may vary depending on local electrical codes and regulations. Always consult with a qualified electrician or refer to the applicable electrical codes to ensure safe and correct wiring practices. Grounding conductors are typically green or bare copper, providing a path for fault current to return to the source, protecting equipment and personnel from electrical shock. Other colors may be used for specific purposes, such as blue or yellow for control wires, but these are not as universally standardized as the colors for hot, neutral, and ground wires. The consistent application of color codes is paramount in electrical work. It reduces the risk of errors during installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Imagine a scenario where wires are randomly colored without any organized scheme. The potential for misconnections would be significantly higher, leading to equipment damage, electrical hazards, and even fires. Color codes allow electricians to quickly identify the function of a wire without having to trace it back to its source, saving time and improving accuracy. While the specific origins of these color codes are not detailed here, their importance in electrical safety and efficiency cannot be overstated. Further research into the history of electrical standards organizations and their documentation might reveal more information about the historical adoption of these color codes. For example, organizations such as the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, or NEMA, and the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, play a crucial role in developing and promoting electrical standards worldwide. Examining their historical records could provide insights into the development of color coding practices.